Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by grabbing core materials and marking the footprint. This saves backtracking. Place a 5x5 foundation on the shore, then build a 1-block high rim so you can see the center. Once done, set a temporary center column to guide height and leave a vertical gap for ladders or scaffolding. Make sure to reserve your light source, beacon or sea lantern, and 4 panes of glass for the lantern room. This gets you into the main build quickly. You now raise the tower. Build outer walls up to 18 or 24 blocks and keep the central core 1 block lower to create interior space and roof access. Once the shell is at working height, add a balcony ring every 6 blocks, slabs for floors, fences for railings, which breaks monotony and offers viewing platforms. Transition smoothly from one level to the next by using scaffolding. It lets you place blocks quickly and fall safely. Make sure to leave a doorway. You finish by building the lantern room, a glass cube with your light source centered. This creates the visible beacon. Add a roof of slabs or trapdoors and connect interior stairs or a ladder so you can reach it easily. Once done, decorate exterior patterns and place torches or glowstone every 8 blocks to stop mob spawns. If the beam looks broken, check for missing glass panes or obstructing blocks and verify a beacon has the correct pyramid base.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.